Essential Topics in Cost Accounting, the complete course. This is Ken Boyd, the owner of St. Louis Test Preparation. Here's our email and phone number. You can now find us on Facebook by searching under St. Louis Test Prep. I've had a lot of response from YouTube from not only inquiries but people that I've ended up tutoring, and I think there's a need for a better online source for cost accounting, so that's why this slide is called Better Instruction. So we're starting our own complete course online, and here's how it works. What we do is we introduce a topic, usually in PowerPoint, and then we explain the topic in Excel, which I think is something that's missing from a lot of instructors that students are talking to me about. And what we do in Excel is, as you've watched my videos, we click from cell to cell, from section to section, and show you how the numbers relate to each other. We also try to relate the topic to something you already know. So for example, when we talk about cash flow in my videos, we always compare it to the checkbook, because all of us have checkbooks, and if you can understand inflows and outflows in a checkbook, you can understand the cost cycle, the operating cycle for spending and getting cash. So we're going to try to relate topics in cost accounting to something that you already know. And finally, we're going to take the same problem, the same concept, but we're going to look at it from different directions. Too often in teaching cost accounting, there's only one example given, and that's not enough to fully understand the concept. Here's how the course will be taught. They will be 1-hour sessions, and we will offer the same 1-hour session on a weeknight, usually at 7 p.m. Central, or on a weekend. So depending on your schedule, you'll be able to fit it in. We use GoToMeeting.com, which has very easy access. There's a 2-minute software download, doesn't take very long, user-friendly. I share my screens with the student. You can hear my voice and see my laptop, and students can type in via chat. The other thing is that if you can't see a course live, we'll record it in GoToMeeting.com, and we can certainly send it to you. I want to flip over to Excel and talk about the topics and dates for this summer. Here are the topics and dates for Essential Topics in Cost Accounting. As you can see, we've broken it down into 3 classes. We have a basics class where we talk about fixed and variable costs, both in total and per unit, which is easily misunderstood. Break-even analysis, cost, volume, profit, contribution margin, and relevant range. So all those basic concepts will be covered in the first hour in late June. We then go into process costing, which is equivalent units of production, cost per equivalent unit, and we distinguish between process costing and job order costing. And finally, the last session is budgeting and variances. Variances may be the most difficult thing in cost accounting for people to understand. I have several videos out there already that explain these, but I want to take a whole hour and go through some of these concepts. So in 3 hours, we try to cover all the essential topics in cost accounting, and I think the course is ideal for somebody who needs to take the course this fall and wants a preview, or if you're in the course now and you need help and you'd like to see something all in an hour all at once, I think that's valuable too. Those are the people who need our course. So flipping back to PowerPoint, you'll see you have the Excel document, which you can go back to if you want to see our dates and times. The course will be repeated year-round, and it's intended to take the most asked topics that I get in feedback from students and put them all in one place and do it an hour at a time, where I think people can better digest the information. So if you'd like to sign up, you can go to the bottom of the page here, which is my email address, and email for information. We'll take 10 people at a time, no more, so that people are more apt to ask questions and get them answered. So we'll do it in groups of 10. Here's my Facebook page again, St. Louis Test Prep. My YouTube channel, Ken Boyd STL. You can find a complete listing of videos on my website, stltest.net. If you'd like one-on-one tutoring or live chat sessions, you can contact me also. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time.